Hola chicos, today's tutorial is on the present tense of the verb tener and some idioms or expressions that also use the verb tener. Tener means to have. It has an irregular yo form, tengo, and some of the other forms have a stem change where e changes to ie. So right now what we want to do is memorize these 6 forms. You actually already know the singular column, tengo, tienes, tiene. You used them when you started talking about ages, as in how old someone is. And here's your plural column. Tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Be sure to pause if you need to review this. ¿Tienes un bolígrafo? Do you have a pen? So we use the verb tener to ask what someone has or tell what someone has. No, tengo un lápiz. No, I have a pencil. If we use the verb tener plus que plus an infinitive or a verb, an unconjugated verb, it means to have to do something. So tengo que ir a un ensayo means I have to go to a rehearsal. Other expressions that use the verb tener are tener ganas de, which means to feel like doing something. It's literally to have a desire to do something. Tener hambre, to be hungry, which is literally to have hunger. Tener sed, to be thirsty or to have thirst. And tener prisa, to be in a hurry or to have haste. Here are some examples from you. Tengo ganas de descansar. I feel like resting or I have a desire to rest. I don't feel like studying. I don't have a desire to study. Elisa tiene hambre y Juan tiene sed. Elisa is hungry and Juan is thirsty. Son las 2:15. Tengo prisa. I'm in a hurry because it's 2:15. Be sure to pause and go back if you need to review any of these concepts.